Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today we are playing. You know what we are playing? Leave it. You read the title. Wait, we came here already. Now, okay, no, I don't need to come here again. I guess I put this antenna here. Now I have to think out of the box. Yes, I have to take something else from the TV store. Mods I don't want. Procedure I guess I want. Yes, I want. Okay. So all I have to do is this. I require people if I see that. Wow, it would be so easy for a technician to rob someone. What? This is a technician's cap. When did I click on a technician's cap? Only a licensed technician can wear one of these. If I wear it, my neighbor might be fooled into thinking I'm a technician. Wow, maybe I should work for the dice. I feel powerful in this thing. Neighbors. Hey, Tom, he's not answering anymore. Probably watching me through these cameras. He's not going to help me. Try to with this camera. Put it on my head. Neighbor's mailbox. I'm confused. Okay. Hello, according to law, let me know. I require access to your roof to fix a broken antenna. I'm sorry, but you haven't booked a meeting with me. I know my rights, and according to Cube law, nobody cares. You should have to. You have to inform me by phone before attempting to enter my house. Bye. What a jerk. Inform me by phone. Isn't there a phone number over there? Yes. 4534. 4534. According to law, nobody cares. I require access to your roof to fix a broken antenna. Yes, right now. Yes, right now. Okay, come over. I'll be waiting for you. Bye. He hung up on me. What a nice. I require access to your roof to fix a broken antenna. You're not a licensed technician. You're not wearing official cap. Oh yeah, I forgot to bring it with me. Well, you're not coming in here without one. Yes, this was the cap. Hello, according to law, blah blah blah. I require access to your roof to fix the antenna. Let me check. Okay, it looks good. Come on. Please don't take too long. I don't want to miss my favorite. Guys are so cruel. Hello, I'm the technician you spoke to earlier. I just need to. Yes, yes. Yes. This guy doesn't care about me. I'd better move fast. My show will be starting soon. Now, where do I go? Oops, statue. Perfect view. Where do I go? How to go to the roof? Black box. Click on random places will reach. Yes. Now how do I fix the antenna now? Gap. There's a gap between the two roofs. It's way too far for me to jump it. Yes, I have to fix it like this. I'm confused. Well, now how do I fix the antenna? Maybe I can use the antenna to make a bridge. Wow, such a great idea. Something tells me this is a bad idea. Exactly, it's not a good idea. Okay, come on, you can do it. Okay, just breathe. It's a small bridge. Zero. Come on, jump. I can't do it. I can't. What the hell? The antenna did not break. The antenna did not break. This is dumb logic. Hello, don't be afraid. I come in peace. What the hell are you? You're so ugly. Okay, so it's a circle versus a square. Sounds- Well, in my world, I'm quite a handsome guy, but I can understand why you wouldn't be able to see that. You're not really used to seeing people with my shape. You don't have any corners. That's really weird. Well, that was a nice introduction. Shall we move on? Or would you like to keep insulting my appearance? I'm here to act as a peace ambassador. My superiors have already made contact. I'm very happy to finally meet one of your species. Even if I did, ex- even if I did expect someone a little more polite. Your word is exactly how our old explorers told us it would be. All shaped square. It's amazing. All these colors too. It's a beautiful place. Colors, what do you mean? There are only three colors: black, black, white, and grey. No, look around you. The world is bursting with different colors: red, greens, blues, yellows. Can you not see them? This guy's colorblind. What are you talking about? Everything is great. Don't make fun of me. According to Cube law, you should. What's happening? What are you doing? Where are these lights coming from? How are you doing this? How dare you do this? Right before my favorite show. This guy doesn't care about his life, he cares about his show. I have nothing to do with this, I swear. Don't come near me, stay away. I have a metal bar and I'm not afraid to use it. I don't want to hurt you, stay calm. Go away, go away. Fall down, this guy fell down. This guy fell down. Ouch, are you okay? I'm coming to help you. Okay, this isn't what I expected. These can't be the wrong people. These can't be the people I'm supposed to meet. Did I go to the wrong planet? I should contract the central guy away and then help that poor guy. Well, now how do you help? Spaceship. How do I help that guy? Fall down myself. Start watch. What do I do with the start watch? I don't know what I'm doing. Neighbor's house. I guess I'll go here. Before checking on the cube guy, I should call the major. Something seriously wrong here. We may need to abort mission. I guess I have to go to the spaceship again. Oh no, the spaceship didn't like the forced landing. All those blinking lights don't look good. Maddie, what's going on? Give me a status report. The spaceship landed 3 meters higher than predicted. The damage isn't reversible, but it's not great. Body condition 90%. Cosmetic damage, that doesn't matter. Engine condition 60%. Okay, that's not so good. Ignition system 10%. That's bad. I take it. We have to repair that before we can take off. In layman's terms, yes. I've been on this planet 5 minutes and this guy's only been here for 5 minutes. This guy's having so much problems. Okay, now I guess I fixed the dashboard, I guess. I need to contact the central. Initiate emergency code 4. To initiate an emergency code, I need your emergency password. Is it the same as the landing password? No, it is not. Uh, something, something, something. No, three tries remaining before self-destruction. Seriously, that's such an overreact. These guys destroy the body. peepers are better than pancakes. No, two tries remaining. Mission impossible. These guys have such lame jokes. No, one try remaining. I don't remember it. This is an emergency. I need to send a message right now. Do you need to recover your password? I guess we'll recover the password in the next video. Bye guys, thank you for watching this video. Hope you liked it. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.